beach south. You can now tap on and off the G using your Visa, MasterCard, American Express or GoCard for adult fares with smart ticketing. Remember to keep using your GoCard for concession fares and always travel with a valid ticket. The next station is Surfers Paradise. Exit here for Q1. Please remember to touch your go-kart to a card reader on the station platform at the beginning and end of each trip. Please exit from the left-hand side of the tram in direction of travel. For your own safety, please use the pedestrian crossings to cross the road.